One of the most common questions we receive is how brain ritual works and why it can work very quickly for some people and more gradually for others. Some patients really notice benefits with their first serving. They may feel more stable, clearer, or even experience acute support during a migraine. For others, the process takes longer, and that's completely expected. Brain ritual supports brain energy metabolism. If someone has been nutrient deprived for a long time, has significant metabolic challenges, or has never been in ketosis before or exposed to ketone bodies, that brain and body may need time to adapt. Ketone bodies are transported and used differently than glucose. Transport systems, enzymes, and metabolic pathways that haven't been used in years may need to become activated again. And at the same time, underlying factors such as nutrient deficiencies, oxidative stress, and mitochondrial strain may need to rebalance, and that doesn't happen overnight. On average, many people notice meaningful changes within the first month or so, but a more severe or long-standing case, it can take up to 2 to 3 months to feel a clear difference. Improvement can be gradual, or it may happen in steps, such as a noticeable shift in migraine frequency, energy levels, or overall resilience. It's critical to take brain ritual consistently, every day, especially in the beginning. Remember, everyone's journey is unique. Some notice changes within days, while others have experienced results months later. For the best chance of a life-changing results, we recommend using brain ritual for at least 3 months. So if you've lived with migraine or neurological stress for many years, rebuilding metabolic stability and energy resilience can take time. Be patient with your body. Problems that develop over decades shouldn't be expected to resolve in days or weeks. We're here to tackle a root cause of migraine, not just the symptoms. Patience and compliance over time is key for optimal results. And it's important to be transparent. If someone has followed the recommended ramp-up daily dose consistently for around 3 months and yet nothing happened, they didn't experience a meaningful change, it's likely that their primary root cause lies elsewhere, beyond brain energy metabolism alone, and in this case, brain ritual may not be the right tool. Further medical evaluation and a different therapeutic approach may be needed. Brain ritual is designed to support a specific metabolic pathway, and when that pathway is relevant, it can make a real difference.